सो दोस्तों, एवरीबडी वॉन्ट्स टू स्पीक गुड इंग्लिश। हर व्यक्ति चाहता है कि वो अच्छी इंग्लिश बोले, एक इंप्रेसिव पर्सनैलिटी हो उसकी, और कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स आपकी पर्सनैलिटी में लगा देती है चार चांद। तो हमारे कुछ ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स जो हमारे लाइव कोर्स को ज्वाइन कर चुके हैं और हमारे साथ अपनी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स अच्छी कर रहे हैं, बेहतर कर रहे हैं, उन लोगों ने अपना डेली रूटीन बताया एक वीडियो के जरिए। तो मैं चाहता हूं आप सब लोग इस वीडियो को देखें। इसमें हर स्टूडेंट अपना डेली रूटीन बता रहा है और ये वीडियोस आपके लिए भी बहुत हेल्पफुल हो सकते हैं गाइस, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं इनमें आपको वो सेंटेंसेस, वो वर्ड्स मिल जाएंगे जो आपको आपका डेली रूटीन बताने में मदद करेंगे। अलग अलग व्यक्ति की अलग अलग टोन होगी, अलग लहजा होगा, सो आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग, आपकी लिसनिंग स्किल्स को भी ये बेहतर करेंगे। तो वीडियोस को पूरा देखना गाइस। और हां, अगर आपने अभी तक ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी कर लें, ताकि जैसे ही हम कोई नया वीडियो लाएं आपको नोटिफिकेशन तुरंत मिल जाए गाइस। और इन वीडियोस को लाइक करना, अच्छे अच्छे कमेंट करना और शेयर करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना दोस्तों। तो वीडियो को पूरा देखिएगा एंड लर्न विद एक्सीलेंट एकेडमी।
Good evening, I am Gopal. Today I tell you about my daily routines. Usually I wake up at around 5:30. Then I go for a morning walk. I come back home. Then I exercise. I feel that exercise is important to keep us fit. After exercise, I read newspapers. Then I freshen up. After that, I have my breakfast. After breakfast, I dress up, leave for work. I drive to work. Then I reached back home at around 5:45. Then I have my tea and I watch this TV sometimes. After that, I have my dinners at around 9:15. Then I watched. Then I checked my WhatsApp, Facebook, and Gmail messages. After that, I go my bed and I sleep tight. So thanks to all for watching my this video.
Hello everyone, I'm Renu. I'm telling you about my daily routine. Usually I wake up at 6 in the morning, but nowadays I wake up at late in the morning, and then I do some exercise, then I freshen up and have my breakfast. After that I dress up and leave for work, and then I reach back at home around 2 p.m. Then I have my lunch and then I rest. After that, I teach tuition from 4 to 6 p.m. And then I chat with my friend, call with my friend, and spend some time with my family. After that, I have my dinner and then I go to sleep. Thank you.
So hello friends, today I Sandeep Mayer is telling you my daily routine. So my usually daily routine start with I wake up at 5 a.m. and then I have my notes which I have to revise. Then I have my breakfast in around 8. Then from 9 a.m. I start doing my assignment which is given online, and then from 11 then I join the live classes of Excellent Academy, which are very beneficial for us, as you all know. Then I usually complete that live classes, and then I have my lunch. Then I sleep for 1.5 hours. Then around 4 or approx 4 I wake up, and then I revise or make notes for the other day. Then I have 2 hours to play from 7 to 8, and from 6 to 7 and 7 to 8. Then after it I come back in the home, and then I make notes, and then I have my dinner. At last I go to bed and sleep tightly. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my daily routine is generally I get up at around 8 am. After that I drink lukewarm water. Then I freshen up. Then I have my breakfast. Then I attend my online class. Then have my lunch. Then take some rest. After that I walk in the evening. Then I eat my dinner. After that, check my emails, phone messages. Then I go to bed and sleep tight. Thank you.
उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको ये वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे होंगे और ये जो लोग अपना इंट्रोडक्शन आपको बता रहे हैं, इट इज हेल्पफुल फॉर बोथ। इन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी ये बहुत अच्छा है क्योंकि ये अपने आप को बोलते हुए देख रहे हैं वीडियोस के माध्यम से, सो दे आर गेटिंग अ चांस टू इम्प्रूव। एंड एट द सेम टाइम जो हमारे बिगिनर्स हैं जो इंग्लिश बोलना सीखना चाहते हैं उनके लिए ये अपॉर्चुनिटी है। तो देखना कि किस तरीके से लोग इंप्रूव कर रहे हैं, किस तरह से स्ट्रगल करते हुए वो लोग अपने ड्रीम को पूरा करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। और जो लोग थोड़ा सा बेहतर हैं, इंटरमीडिएट लेवल आई वुड से, उन लोगों को दिखेगा कि कौन सी गलतियां हैं जो उन्हें नहीं करनी चाहिए एंड व्हाट आर द गुड थिंग्स एंड व्हाट इज द गुड वोकैबुलरी दे कैन स्टार्ट यूटिलाइजिंग। सो इट इज अ बेनिफिशियल वीडियो फॉर एवरीबडी, सो कीप वॉचिंग, देयर आर मोर टू कम। तो अभी और भी इंट्रोडक्शंस हैं, देखते रहिएगा, इस वीडियो को पूरा जरूर देखिएगा और कमेंट करके जरूर बताइएगा आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा।
My name is Tracy, and today I'm going to share my daily routine with all of you. So I usually wake up at 5 a.m. and the very first thing I do is to make my bed, and I go for a morning walk with my dad. After coming back home, I freshen up and then have my breakfast. Then after then I do my studies, and at around 11 o'clock I attend my live classes. And after doing all these morning activities, I have my lunch at around 2 o'clock. Then I take a small nap, and after taking my nap, I wake up and have snacks with my family. Then at around 6 o'clock, I read novels because I love to read novels. After then, I play with my cousins in the terrace, and I then come back. Then I come back and have my dinner and just sleep. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. I am Rajesh. Today I am telling you about my daily routine. I usually wake up at around 6 a.m. I go for a morning walk. I come back home, freshen up, and have my breakfast. After that, I read newspaper and use my phone. I attend my online class from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Then I have my lunch and take a nap. In the evening, I exercise, watch TV, and have my dinner. I go to bed at around 11 p.m. Then I sleep tight. Thank you.
Usually I wake up at around 6 o'clock. Then I freshen up. Then I make breakfast and have breakfast at around 8 o'clock. After having breakfast, I study for some times. Then I have lunch at around 2 o'clock. After having lunch, I take rest for some times, and I go for a walk in the evening. Then I have my dinner at 9 o'clock. After that, I go to bed and use my mobile phone. Then I sleep.
Hello friends, I am Samriddhi and I am very glad to see you again. So today we will discuss about my daily routine. First of all, I wake up at around 6 a.m. Then I go for a morning walk. I come back home. I exercise. I feel that exercise is very important because if it keeps us healthy and fit. Then I study for 1 hour. Then I freshen up. I have my breakfast. I then attend my English speaking class. Then I do my homework. Then I study. For some time I watch TV. After that I have my lunch. Then I take a small nap. Then I wake up and study again. Then I do my leftover homework. After that I play and have my dinner. Then I go to my bed. Thanks for watching.
Hi, today I am sharing my daily routine. I wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning. Then I take 2 glasses of lukewarm water. After taking lukewarm water, I go 10-minute walk with my dog. And after come back home, I sweep and clean my house, and uh, then I go for fresh on, and after fresh on I take a cup of tea and go for taking my online coaching class, which is regard to net preparation. After taking this class, I give a bath to my baby, and we are take our breakfast and we are take our breakfast, and around 11 o'clock I again take my another English language coaching class, online coaching class. And after complete my online coaching class, I go to kitchen for preparing my lunch, and after and around 1:30 to 2, around 1:30 we take our lunch, and after that I have complete my all household work and etc all things. Then around 4 o'clock I generally prepare snacks for my baby. Then after that, around 5 to 6 p.m. I go for study, and um, after that I do some yoga, and around 8:30 I go to again kitchen for preparing dinner, and around 9:30 to 10 p.m. we have have dinner, take our dinner, and after that taking dinner I have complete my all household work and go to bed, and in the go to
Good evening, sir. I am presenting here my daily routine. I wake up around 5 o'clock. I go for daily morning walk. I come back home. I exercise. I feel that exercise is important to keep us fit. Then I read newspaper. After that, I freshen up. Then I have breakfast. Then I dress up, leave for work. Then I reach back home around 6. I have tea, and I watch TV for some times, and I teach my childrens. After that I have dinner. Then I check my emails and messages. Then I go to bed and sleep tight. Thank you.
My name is Devasingh Rawat, and here's my day routine. Usually I wake up at around 5 o'clock, then I freshen up. After that I go to ground for health run, and I at around 6 o'clock I come back to my home and have breakfast after some time. After that I get dressed, and at around 9 o'clock I leave for office. Then I come back to my home at around 3 o'clock and have lunch. After having lunch I go to bed to have rest for some time. At around 5 o'clock I go to gym, and I come back to my home from gym at around 7 o'clock. Then I get dressed, and at around 9 o'clock I have my dinner. After having dinner I go to bed and watch YouTube videos for some time. Then I sleep.
Cheerful morning to all. This is Naren, and today I'm going to share my daily routine. So I wake up around 6 a.m. and after then I do meditation for an hour with a very beautiful musical instrument, bhajan. And after that I freshen up, and then I have my breakfast at 8:30. And after breakfast I read newspaper for an hour, and then I join Excellent Academy on live at 11 a.m. And then after that I teach my sister for 2 to 3 hours, and then I have my lunch, and after that I go to sleep. And then in the evening I play badminton with my mother, and then I settle all my personal works, and then I have my dinner at 8:30 p.m. And then I start my SSC preparation to 11:30 to 12 a.m. and then I go to bed and sleep tightly. So this is all about my daily routine. So thank you so much.
Hi, good evening. I am Lisha. My daily routine. I wake up at around 6 am. I go for morning walk. I come back home. Then I yoga. I read book. Then I fresh up. I have my breakfast. 11 am spoken class. I have my lunch. I do my work. Then I have coffee and watch TV for something. I have my dinner. I go to bed and sleep. Bye.
Hello everyone, my daily routine is generally I woke up at around 8 am. Then I freshen up. Then I attend my online classes. Then I have my dinner. Then take some rest. Then I study. Then I eat my dinner. Then I use the data and go to sleep.